Do I snore? I think everyone does. Listen, okay? I think everyone snores, okay? It depends on how you're sleeping. I do sleep talk though. Chat, I do sleep talk. Any stories? Well, I think... Oh, you know what? I'll tell you like one quick story real quick, okay? Well, one time, I was in a bus. I was sitting next to this like... It was a school trip. It was a school trip. It was nighttime, you know, I was sitting next to this, so I was at the back, you know, like, my best friend was next to, on my right side, and there was a girl, like, right next to me, on my left side. So, you know, like, it was dark, you know, like, everyone was supposed to be asleep. And I was, apparently, when I woke up, my best friend just, like, started talking to me, and he's like, dude, what the fuck are you talking about? I'm like, huh? What? I'm like, what? Like, what the hell are you talking about? And he started like saying, so the other girl was asleep, like right next to me. She was asleep, but apparently I kept calling out someone's name. Did you suddenly laugh? Dude, that's weird. I've been around people that laugh in their sleep. It's actually so creepy.